Okay, everyone. For today is day 22 of learning how to use Godot, and I just want to demonstrate here how can we just go and customize our Godot editor here. And I would want to remove, for example, the 3D menu or 3D tab on top of the center workspace of our project here. You can actually go to editor menu and manage editor features, and you can create a profile. So let's say here in this case, I don't have a profile, so I'm just going to say log program dev and create that. And you will see there's that 3D feature, and I can just go and unclick that. And once we try to click OK, now that 3D feature is now gone from our options on top of our center of the workspace.